Hi everyone, now we are going to look at the question number 1 of Max 1 for IITM-Es graded assignment 1. Now, this is one of the very simple questions. By the by, we should know what are integers. Integers are nothing but they are non-fractional actually. They are non-fractional. So, the integers can be positive, negative, or even 0. But only condition they should be non-fractional. So non-fractional means what? There should not be any fractions. Alright. Now let us see. So for these type of questions, we should solve from the answer options. Now let us check the option A. So if you look at the option A, 360 divided by 22, we are getting 16.36 while solving with the online calculator. Since there is a decimal present, therefore it is not an integer. Hence option A is not correct, it is wrong. Now let us try option B. So root 12 minus root 8 into root 2 plus root 3. Going further, so how you should multiply? So root 12 into root 2, similarly root 12 into root 3, and here minus root 8 into plus root 2, similarly minus root 8 into plus root 3. Alright, so let us solve step by step. First our focus is on this root 12 into root 2. Okay, so root 12 into root 2, you may be thinking root 6 into root 6, it is 6. So similarly root 12 into root 2, it will be 24. But actually when the numbers are common, then only the square root will be removed. For example, root 2 into root 2, if you are writing, it is 2. And similarly root 3 into root 3, it is 3, and it goes on. So what I am trying to convey is, inside the square root, if there are equal numbers, so these are the square root, and inside it there are similar numbers, either 2 or 3 or 4. If you are multiplying the square root with a common number, then the square root will be removed. Since if you look at here, this root 12 into root 2, it is not a common number, so it will be present inside the square root and the square root won't be removed. Alright, fine. So root 12 into root 2, directly you can write it as root 24. And similarly root 12 into root 3. So 12 3s are 36. Inside the square root 36 you should write. And similarly minus root 8 into plus root 2 minus root 16 and minus root 8 into plus root 3 root 24. So here minus will be coming. So minus into plus is minus. So here minus into plus is minus, therefore minus root 24. While solving further, plus root 24 and minus root 24 will be get cancelled. So the remaining are root 36 minus root 16. So square root of 36 is 6. 6 are 36 and square root of 16 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Hence 2 is the integer, therefore 2 is the integer. Hence we can straightly write option B is the correct answer. Now similarly solving directly, we already said an integer can be negative, so no need to worry about this negative sign. Alright, fine. Now let us solve option C. If you are solving option C, it is coming minus 100, 100, 100, 1 divided by 3. So while solving this with the online calculator, we'll be getting it as minus 33 comma 336, comma 667. Hence it is a integer. Therefore, it is an integer. Hence option C is correct. Now, let us check with the option D. So, while solving option D, root 15 plus root 5 divided by root 5. So, here what you do is, so this root 5 is there now. On both these sides, you should divide like an LCM. So, root 15 by root 5 plus root 5 by root 5. Got it? So, while solving it, we'll be getting root 15 by root 5, root 3 plus root 5 and root 5 will get cancelled, it is 1. We already know the value of root 3 is 1.732 plus 1. So, while adding 2.732 we are getting, but 2.732 is a decimal, it is not an integer. Hence, option D, it is wrong. Hence, the correct options are B and C. B and C are correct. So, we'll conclude options B and C are correct. Okay. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, press the like button. Kindly share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.